Understanding Qi and Qigong. The Chinese art of Qigong, or energy work, has been studied and practiced for over 4,000 years. Qigong is any training or study dealing with Qi which takes time and effort to achieve. The word Qi refers to the energy circulating in the human body as well as all energy in the universe. During the 1960s, a new area of research began involving the study of human bioelectricity. It soon became clear that bioelectricity is the same energy which the ancient Chinese called Qi, and that our body is a living electromagnetic field. This field is affected by our thoughts, feelings, activities, the quality of the air we breathe and the food we eat, our lifestyle, the natural energy that surrounds us, and also the unnatural energy which modern science inflicts upon us, such as radiation from power lines and cell phones. Since Qi is the source of life, if you understand how Qi functions and know how to regulate it correctly, you should be able to live a long and healthy life. Remember that you are part of nature and its cycles. If you go against natural cycles, you may become sick, so it is in our best interest to follow the way of nature. This is the meaning of Tao, which can be translated as the natural way. Many different aspects of human Qi have been researched for centuries, including acupuncture, acupressure or massage, herbal treatment, meditation, and Qigong exercises. The use of acupuncture, acupressure, and herbal treatment to adjust human Qi flow is the root of Chinese medical science. Meditation and moving Qigong exercises are widely used by the Chinese people to improve their health and to cure illness. A main principle of Qigong is to use the mind and physical movements to direct and lead your Qi circulation in the correct way. The physical movements and breathing in Qigong commonly imitate the natural instinctive movements of animals or of natural human behavior such as yawning, sighing, laughing, or crying. The lower dantian, or elixir field, is the place in the abdominal area where humans are able to store Qi. It can be considered a bioelectric battery. The theory and training methods can become complex the further you study the subject. Theoretically speaking, when the body is in a state of slow and relaxed movement, you may use the mind to lead the Qi into the deeper places of the body, such as ligaments, marrow, and internal organs. Consequently, the self-internal feeling can also be deep, and the Qi can be led there significantly. In the profound levels of Qigong practice, such as meditation, the mind becomes even more critical and important as physical movement diminishes. In this practice, you may have a little physical movement in the lower abdomen area. However, the main focus of this Qigong practice is to cultivate a peaceful and neutral mind and further pursue the final goal of spiritual enlightenment. Different Qigong practices aim for different goals. In order to have a good, healthy, long, and happy life, both your physical body and your mind must be healthy. The best Qigong for health is to regulate both your physical body and your mind. From this yin and yang balancing practice, your Qi can be built up to a more abundant level, and the Qi can also be circulated smoothly in the body. In Qigong, breathing is a strategy which enables you to lead the Qi effectively. For example, you can use your breath to lead the Qi out to your skin or into your marrow. Slow or fast breathing can make the flow of Qi calm or vigorous. When you are excited, your body is yang, and you exhale for a longer duration than you inhale. This leads the Qi to the skin so that you sweat, and the excess dissipates in the surrounding air. When you are sad, your body is yin, and you inhale for a longer duration than you exhale to lead the Qi inward to conserve it, and you feel cold. You can see that breathing can be the main cause of changing the body's yin and yang. Yin and yang should be balanced so that your body will function harmoniously. The trick to maintaining this balance is using breathing strategy. Usually your inhalations and exhalations should be equal. However, when you are excited, your body is too yang, so you may inhale longer and deeper to calm down your mind and lead the Qi inside your body to make it more yin. In Qigong practice, it is very important to grasp the trick of correct breathing. It is the exhalation which leads Qi to the 5 centers, the head, 2 Lagong cavities at the center of the palms, and 2 Yongquan cavities near the center of the soles. Exhalation also leads qi to the skin where it's exchanged with your surroundings. Inhalation leads qi deep inside your body to reach the internal organs and marrow. In Qigong, you must first use your yi or wisdom mind to generate an idea. This idea then controls your breathing and is also the force that moves the qi. It is your spirit or morale which determines how successful your Qigong practice will be. When your morale is raised, your qi can be led more efficiently and your Qigong will be more effective. It is understood now that the human body is constructed of many different electrically conductive materials and that it forms a living electromagnetic field and circuit. Energy is continuously being generated in the human body through the biochemical reaction in food and air assimilation and circulated by the electromotive forces generated by the mind. In addition, you are constantly being affected by external electromagnetic fields such as that of the earth or the electrical fields generated by clouds. When you practice Chinese medicine or Qigong, you need to be aware of these outside factors and take them into account. During the electrophysiological research of the 1960s, several investigators discovered that bones are piezoelectric. That is, when they are stressed, mechanical energy is converted to electrical energy in the form of electric current. This might explain why qi circulation is increased when stress on the bones and muscles is increased in certain Qigong exercises. Whenever you have an injury or are sick, your body's electrical circulation is affected. If this circulation of electricity stops, you die. But bioelectric energy not only maintains life, it is also responsible for repairing physical damage. Every cell of the body functions like an electric battery and is able to store electric charge. Our entire body is essentially a big battery which is assembled from millions of small batteries. All of these batteries together form the human electromagnetic field. Many studies have shown that conductivity of the skin is much higher at acupuncture cavities, and that it's now possible to locate them precisely by measuring the skin's conductivity, proving that the acupuncture and massage which has been used in China for thousands of years is reasonable and scientific. This may also offer a new explanation of an ancient healing practice, the laying on of hands. It may be that electromagnetic fields from human tissues in one person are capable of producing clinical improvements in another. In your body, you want to keep the current flowing smoothly. This means that your first task is to remove anything which interferes with the flow and causes stagnation. Fat has low conductivity, so you should use diet and exercise to remove excess fat from your body. You should also learn how to relax your physical body because this opens all of the qi channels. This is why relaxation is the first goal in many Qigong exercises. If you do not have the correct level of current in your organs, they will either burn out from too much current or malfunction because of a deficient level of current. Qigong is concerned with learning how to increase the level of qi in the qi circulatory vessels and channels so that they will be able to supply current when needed and keep the internal organs functioning smoothly. This is especially important as you get older when your qi level is generally lower. The final concern in Qigong practice is how to maintain or even rebuild the health of your internal organs. The human body is alive, and with the proper qi nourishment, all of the cells can be regrown and the state of health improved, even in old age. This means that if we are able to increase the qi flow through our internal organs, they can become stronger and healthier. Naturally, the increase in qi developed by your Qigong practice must be slow and gradual so that the organs can adjust to it. The hormones produced by our endocrine glands are referred to as pre-birth essence or original essence in Chinese medicine. They can be used to regulate the biochemical reaction which converts the food or fat into qi. Hormones act as catalysts in our body's metabolism. Thus, hormones are able to stimulate the functioning of our physical body, thereby increasing our vitality. Balancing hormone production when you are young and increasing its production when you are old are important subjects in Chinese Qigong. The enhancement or the adjustment of the qi circulation can also be done through acupuncture and Qigong massage. From external qi stimulation, the qi can be brought to a state of balance, thus preventing or curing the sickness.